everybody, it's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. It's a little belated, I'm afraid, but this is the what I'm going to be doing is an unboxing of my March Ephemera Box from our Atelier that came probably beginning of last week or end of the week before, but I had quite a bit of trouble with my uploading of videos and things, and it was all a bit of a chore, so I've saved them until I can get them videoed and uploaded. This is some stamps that I've ordered as well. They came on the weekend, so let's dive in. So on the front here, I think gives us an idea of the stamps that are actually inside. I love these vintage biplanes, and I love my little bookplate card. That lady, that's gorgeous. Before we start, and I've opened this because this is the latest. This is mine from the my collection of, what was it? I said it was the chrysanthemums and lilies, and I thought it would be interesting to place little bits on there. So first and foremost, diving straight in, a little like a scientific-y type thingy. Okay, that's quite nice, and right, let's have a look, guys. So we have some washi, beautiful colour, Is it? I don't know if that's focusing. Anyway, that's the first slim washi. Have some wooden stamps. Do you know, I actually like the thought, because I used to have wooden stamps years ago, and then the acrylic stamps came in with a stamping block, which means you can store quite a few more. But I do like, I think I do prefer my wooden stamps. Without the fuss of having to get everything ready. Oh, look at that. Is that like a vintage telephone? Vintage telephone stamp. And this one, I just love how these are wrapped. I love how these bits and pieces are wrapped. Aren't they gorgeous? Last month I used some of the little, the botanical little set. Little set of did I order these actually? Botanical poetry. No, I actually did order last month, and it sort of came in with the. I might have ordered this actually separately. Came in with them. Can you see these little poetry? I love them. How gorgeous! Love is short, forgetting is so long. Oh, I love them. How nice they're going to be working in my little book. Let's pop those there, because I think I'm going to have a play quite soon. Oh, yes, these are my little botanical poetry stamps. Little set of. Oh, it's been so long I forgot I ordered them. There you go, guys. It's a set of 6. Aren't they lovely? And tiny. That's how tiny they are. I'll show you my little book. So my little book is 15 centimetres. It's 15 centimetres. And let's see, I haven't got a stamping block. I should bring a little stamping block, shouldn't I? There you go. That gives you an idea of the size and comparison. So we'll do that next time. Or I'll just turn the video on, turn the camera on while I'm working. I think I'll do a little. Oh, I love that. Like a stamp. Is it like a postmark stamp type thing? Oh, lovely. And here, my dears, are, is that okay? Let's move this Oh, oh my word. Beautiful. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see. Is it upside down? Yes. So it's like a letter writing. Oh, that is lovely. That is lovely. That is lovely. Oh, gonna have a lot of fun with this. A little fox. I think I've got a similar one of those in my stash, but I'm loving this. Loving it, loving it, loving it. I wonder. Oh, oh, oh. That was a bit odd, wasn't it? That was a bit odd. Well, what's going on there? Something very interesting, guys. Not quite sure. Not quite sure. I think I'll sort that out off camera. But beautiful nonetheless. Right, so little envelope. Usually has little stickers or transfers. Oh, these little cards. Now what have we got here? Look quite medieval, don't they? Medieval town. Actually, it's like a little book. How interesting are those? Like those, okay. Little cards this time. And this is my April. I've got these already. Oh, that one. Now, that's nice. So these are little stickies. Little stickies. Beautiful. My April date stampy thing. Some transfers. No, it's not transfer. Oh, it is a transfer. Or a single postage postcard. Fabulous. So these are the very lovely vintage travel themed, aren't they? Vintage travel theme. I love it. Love, 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 love. Oh, a little, like a cable car, is it? Cable car type thing. Very nice, especially with holiday season approaching quite rapidly. Now I will. Here we go. Right, let's pop those here. And if I pop this on there, we might be able to. The idea was, I thought, oh, get myself in a bit of a tiz. I could pop this on here and we could place some of these little beauties on the papers and we can see what we're doing. Kind of. That's what I thought in my head. And it seemed like a great idea at the time. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let's get some clips. That'd be quite nice, wouldn't it? Do you think? Let's see if that makes a difference. Right. So we have. Oh my word! An abundance of goodies. So we have these beautiful things. Just started to use them. Little transfers, are they? Yeah. Vintage map transfer, is it? Oh, very nice. Vintage map. Rabbit. This is nice. Very pretty. Very pretty. Little cards. Oh, more coffee. I love these. I'm getting a little stash of coffee themed bits and bobs. Caramel macchiato. Oh, I love these. Love those. Do you know what? These could be just really quite nice on the front. On the front of some coffee little journals, couldn't they? Little minis like this. And a couple of like postage stamp type things. And I think that's it for this month. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. So that's my ephemera box unboxed. And also, because I'm doing my day book on a daily basis, monthly basis, and I'm going to be doing traveller's notebooks. And my next project as well for Amy is like traveller's notebooks for quarters of the year, in a lace traveller's style notebook thingy. I saw these when I was mooching round Rosie's shop and thought they'd be really useful. So these wooden stamps of, I think, kind of like, well, they're number stamped, but I could use them to date. So I've got a little set and they're beautiful. In fact, you know, I was thinking you could actually, oh, let me get my scissors. I could actually colour them. So there's 12. Yeah. For each month. There you go. Oh, I don't know if you can see just how beautiful these are, guys. Oh. So I've started with the last, what, the bit there. There you go. And you see the courage to pursue love, morning glory. So they're botanical. They're botanical, and I think they're beautiful. I think they're beautiful. How gorgeous is that? You can date. So these came, as I say, they're really solid. They're lovely. Lovely to hold. I'm sorry, I'm really liking the thought, as I said, of going back to my wooden stamps. It's just a matter of trying to keep them stored. So there you go. And so, gives you a bit of an idea of the sort of thing she does. And we're talking, we've got a, there you go, so that's, oh, how lovely. Oh. Oh, that's beautiful. You could almost use them to colour, couldn't you? Pop them on a page, and if you were to use the oh, what's the waterproof ink, you could even pop them onto a page and watercolour them if you fancied. Maybe use watercolour pencils because it could be more precise. So there you go. There you go, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, and you will be seeing me use these and in journals over the next few months. So I will pop her link below to her Rosie's shop on Instagram, and you might like to pay her a visit. So take care, guys. Thank you for joining me, And for those, if you haven't subscribed before and it's the first time you've seen one of my crazy videos, please like and subscribe if you do. Well, I mean, if you do like. It'd be great to have you along on my journey. Take care. Take care, guys. Bye. Bye.